it's the 30th of June, yeah, 30th of June, going for the Birds of Fire competition. It's pretty fucking windy, as you can see, but it's the last day, thought I'd give it a shot. Prove that the track's the right size. So here we have 1 metre step. It's 1 metre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Here's my gate. I don't have any gauge, so I have to use that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah, check out how windy it is. It's going to be horrible flying, but may as well give it a shot.